Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Mercedes Gla here on a 2015 plate, a 65 plate, so it'll be 2015-2016 plate. Just doing a service reset on this service A reset. Basically what you need is for service A is the oil filter and the cabin filter, and check and top up where necessary, like the brake fluid and other stuff. Check the wheels, make sure they're all tight, the torques are good on the wheels as well. But before I do, I'm going to show you how it's done. It is a simple procedure. Let's get to it. To see the service procedure, so to check what service is due, so you press OK. Press OK again. Just going to switch the AC off for a minute. Now if you look right there, it says service A2 is overdue by 500 miles. Keep that off. Service A is overdue by 500 miles, so I'm going to show you how it's done. Now before you do that, switch the ignition off, make sure the ignition is off, then you put the ignition to key position 1. So that key position 1 you can see right there, so none of the other lights are on, just the parking light and the position lamp and everything is on. I press OK, I press OK again. Now you got the service, you press OK again. So that's not doing anything, so I press back, I go onto here where the trip and the mileage is showing. As soon as I got to that, I'm going to press the call button and the OK button. I press the call button first and the OK immediately after that and keep hold of it. So if I press the call and OK and you look in the middle, you'll get the service information right there. As you can see now, the service information is displayed now. So at the same time, if you did want to do the electric parking brake for the rear, you can do that as well. You go onto parking brake, this is the buttons you go up and down with, and then you can replace the brake pad as well by releasing the handbrake through here, through the system. But what I need to do is I need to reset the service. So I'll go down, press OK, go down to full service, scroll down all the way, confirm, and then the grade I used was a 22931, which is correct. Press yes. Now once you've done the reset, it cannot be undone till the next reset is due, which is going to be next year possibly. So I confirm. Now that's done. So what we're going to now do is press back, press left, from here again, go on to service, scroll down, check assist plus. Now you can see the next service is due in 365 days, which is a service B. That's all it is. That's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And there is a playlist for Mercedes. Do check that out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thanks and goodbye.